Hey YouTube, short video about the Orlandoo D201N receiver light controller combination. That's a receiver light controller that only works with the Orlandoo D4L radio and is meant to be used in, for example, the Orlandoo trailer, the camping trailer, as light controller for the ton of LED lights of this trailer, and works in parallel to the normal receiver light controller of your pulling truck. The D201N doesn't come with any instructions, at least mine didn't come. You get only the board and a on-off switch, and the board isn't even labeled. You can find the instructions online. I found them. Check them out here. And here you can see how to connect the LEDs. Of course, for the trailer SMD LEDs to the board. We have the battery plug. You have to use a 2S LiPo. It has a low voltage alarm at 6.6 volts, so 4 AAA won't work. Then you have the plug for the on-off switch. Here you have the bind button, and then we have reverse light, brake light, blinker, blinker. We have the front beams, the normal lights, and the auxiliary lights. And here you can see the light controller has the possibility to connect two different types of LEDs in parallel with common miners. So you can use two different types of LEDs for the front beams and for the auxiliary lights. You can see it here, orange and white for the front lights, common miners, and two different plus. You cannot connect two different LED types, so not only two different colors, two different types of LEDs in parallel. This will not work. So this means for the trailer we can only use two different types of LEDs, or two different colors for the front beams and two different colors for the auxiliary lights or auxiliary beams. I will explain this in detail in my Orlandoo trailer build video, which will hopefully be up soon. And now let's check how this works. Switch connected, connect the battery. It's a JST PH 2.0 plug. I prefer the red JSTs for the 2S LiPos, and binding is super simple. Simply press the bind button and switch on. Now fast blinking, switch on the radio, and now it's bound. You even can switch on the radio before. So now the light controller is bound, and now let's connect the lights and see how it is controlled. Here it's now set up, controlled by the aux button. What's quite strange in the Orlandoos, if you have switched off the main beams, turning lights won't work. You have to switch on main beams by pressing the aux button, channel 3 button once. And now you can see the turning lights work. Then we have rear light, what's also brake light. So if you stop, it's brake light, and we have reverse light. One click, everything off. Turning lights are off too, what's quite okay. And two clicks, fast clicks, are hazard lights. So those also work if the main beams are off. Only turning lights don't work. And a long press are the auxiliary lights. What is green and blue here? As already mentioned, only connect in parallel LEDs of the same type. You can use 2 for the auxiliary lights and 2 here, orange and white, for the main beams. Brake and reverse. 1 click, main beams off. Long press, auxiliary lights off, and 3 fast clicks. That's this, I don't know, blinking music light. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope the video about the Orlandoo trailer build and LED installation will be up soon. I'll be back.